Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Jamaica picked up their first win at the 2025 World Lacrosse Men's Under-20 Championship, defeating hosts South Korea 17-7 in the second game of Pool C on Saturday. The Jamaicans led South Korea 4-0 in the first quarter. They went into the break with an 8-2 lead. South Korea had a mini fight back in the third quarter, but the young Jamaicans held on for a 12-5 lead. Jamaica sealed the win in the final quarter, outscoring their opponents 5-2 for a final score of 17-7. Elias Shadid McLaughlin led the way for the team with 6 goals. The Jamaicans lost their opening game 14-11 to England on Friday. They will next face New Zealand on Tuesday. And finally, with days to go before the start of the 2025 CONCACAF Caribbean Cup, Director of Football at Mount Pleasant FA Davian Ferguson is expecting a better showing than their debut season in 2024. Mount Pleasant exited the tournament at the group stage in 2024 after recording only 1 win from their 4 games, which came against Arnett Gardens. The Jamaica Premier League runners-up will begin their 2025 campaign on Tuesday at the National Stadium against the 2023 Caribbean Cup winners SV Robin Hood.
Well, the plan is to be better than we were last year. Last season we dropped out at the first hurdle, and this season we definitely want to do better than that. Plans are afoot in terms of our preparation heading into that. Things are coming on nicely here, as you can see. The boys are in good spirit. The camp is in a very good place.
The other Jamaican team in the Caribbean Cup, defending champions Cavalier FC, will play away to Cibao FC also on Tuesday. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.